Did you know there are alien-like creatures living on Earth right now that thrive in conditions that would instantly kill you? They're called Archaea, and they literally swim in boiling sulfuric acid like it's a warm bath. These microscopic organisms survive temperatures over 250 degrees Fahrenheit and radiation levels thousands of times stronger than what kills humans. They've been here for 3.5 billion years, making them Earth's oldest life forms. You can find them living in Yellowstone's deadly hot springs, deep ocean thermal vents, and even inside nuclear reactors. Scientists now believe this might be exactly what alien life looks like on other planets. We've been searching space for aliens when they've been here all along.